Today I'm going to show you how to turn off shortcut keys in KeyTips in Word, so those keyboard hints stop appearing when you hover over commands. This is a quick setting change, and it can make Word feel a lot cleaner and less distracting, especially if you already know the shortcuts and don't want the on-screen tips getting in the way. If this video helps you, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple Word tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word on your computer. Once Word is open, look to the top left corner and click File. This takes you into the Backstage menu where all of Word's main settings are located. From the File menu, scroll down and click Options. This opens the Word Options window, which is where you can customize how Word behaves and how it displays different tips and features. Inside Word Options, look at the menu on the left side and click Accessibility. Depending on your version of Word, this may be listed in a similar area related to ease of access or display settings. Once you're in the accessibility section, look for the option that says Show Shortcut Keys in ScreenTips. This setting controls whether Word displays keyboard shortcut hints in the little tips that appear when you hover over toolbar items. If that box is checked, Word will show those shortcut keys. To turn them off, simply uncheck the box. After you've done that, click OK to save your changes and close the Options window. Now go back into your Word document and hover over a few commands in the ribbon. You should notice that the shortcut keys in the key tips are no longer showing up in the screen tips. That means the setting has been successfully turned off. And that's all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you've disabled shortcut keys in key tips in Word and made the interface a little less cluttered. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Microsoft Word tips, tricks, and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.